Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by checking prerequisites. The VM is powered off, VMware network adapter exists, and you know whether you need NAT or bridged networking. Open VMware settings now and select the virtual network adapter for this VM. NAT shares the host IP, while bridged puts the VM on the same LAN. Once done, make sure the adapter is connected at power on. You do this because the VM needs a virtual NIC mapped to a host network to obtain DHCP or a static address. Boot the guest and identify the interface name using IP-link or ifconfig-a. You need the exact name to configure it. If you want DHCP, run sudo dhclient-iface or enable network manager. If you need a static IP, edit /etc/netplin/*. YAML or /etc/network/interfaces and apply the config. Once configured, restart networking with sudo netplin apply, sudo systemctl restart network manager, or sudo systemctl restart networking. These steps ensure the guest requests or sets an IP on the virtual network provided by. Now validate connectivity. Ping the gateway, then ping 8, and finally ping a domain to confirm DNS works. If DNS fails, inspect /etc/resolve. Conf or network manager DNS settings. If routing fails, examine IP route and firewall rules with sudo iptables-l or sudo ufwa status. If nothing works, switch between NAT and bridged in VMware, disconnect and reconnect the virtual adapter, reboot the guest, and if needed, reboot the host. One key tip: a simple reboot off.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.